wanted to be a part of like a committee, organization, or even council. But then, I didn't have a chance because I was always part of the swimming varsity. So when I was in college, parang naisip ko, like this time when everyone says na kailangan mag-bloom na tayo and when they really take a step. But then when I was in first year, and second year, third year, di ko pa rin talaga kaya because I had UAAP commitment. And it was really important. So I always joined mga project heads na lang, COMELEC, mga small tasks. So as long as I can contribute to council. But then now, and last year, around when I got really low in accounting, I realized na parang, maybe accounting isn't for me. And I was really into math, so I said na parang, maybe I can go shift na lang to BS Math. But then, sobrang love ko talaga BA na hindi ko talaga may iwanan. So I'm like, I'll stay here na lang talaga. So, I've decided for this, if you guys are willing to give me a chance to be your counselor, I will be prioritizing council over swimming. And swimming has been something I've been doing for 15 years already. So you can imagine how much dedication and time I really put into it. And I'm prioritizing council over that now. So all that 15 years of dedication will be rolled into 1 year. And I can ensure you my dedication because ever since I was 5 years old, I've already been swimming. So I've already chosen that path for me where I have to sacrifice my social life and other orgs. So I can assure you na I'll be doing the same because I really used to it na rin. So for my plans, I'm prioritizing yung mga problem ng trash cans. And the ones na, yung problem ng CR na walang ceiling. And I think that these are things that are worth fighting for kasi sobrang laking problema talaga. And I think, Sir Manny, with konting push na lang, and if we're all united in this, we can really make a change sa mga trash cans. So, guys, I just want to ask you something. Do you know that wheat bread is good for you? Because I think wheat is good for you too. So vote with me as your next BAC council.